There are basically 4 easiest chapters you have for chemistry, right? And especially the first chapter, chemical reactions and equations, talks about how to balance a reaction, how to study or how to write a balanced complete stoichiometric equations, right? And this lesson has a strong impact on your grade 11 first chapter, right? You'll be studying this in your first lesson, basic chemistry concepts, right? Or mole concepts, right? There is a concept called mole and equivalent concepts in your class 11th, the very first chapter, and you'll be studying and you'll be requiring the basics of this particular chapter, right? The second chapter is all about what? Acids, bases and salts, right? It talks about what are acids, what are bases, what are salts. How do you identify acids, bases, right? And using an indicator, it can be a natural indicator or it can be a olfactory indicators, right? Or it can be a synthetic indicator, right? These are the indicators which we'll be learning it. And how acids dissociates in water and how the bases dissolves in water, right? And the acid-base chemical reactions, how acid reacts with water, how base reacts with water, and how the acids plus base reacts together to form neutralization reaction, which is what plus what? Salt plus water, right? All those stuffs we'll be learning it in acid, bases and salts chapter, right? What's our third chapter? Metals and non-metals, right? So we have around 118 elements in our periodic table. Correct? How many elements irukku? Please. 118 elements, right? Most of the elements we could see metals, right? And the metals, and then right hand side of the periodic table enava irukum? Mostly of non-metals, right? So metals or non-metals behavior vandu nama enna pannuvom? We'll be learning in this one, right? And then the fourth chapter is all about carbon and its compounds. See, strengthen the fourth chapter is a very important one. If you strengthen the fourth chapter well,